You've probably eaten okra before, but drinking okra water is a whole new level. Welcome back to the okra series showcasing different okra recipes. This is the third video in this series focusing on okra water. Other videos already available include how to make southern fried okra and traditional Zambian style okra with no water. To find out more information about the benefits and multiple uses of okra, please check out the first video below. You can simply make okra water just by adding plain water to fresh okra pods. But why not take it to the next level by adding other fresh ingredients full of flavor? For this recipe, you will need okra, ginger, pineapple if you like, 1 liter of bottled water or cool boiled water, a freshly squeezed lemon or 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for taste and to reduce the slime. As usual, wash all ingredients thoroughly, peel the pineapple covers, remove the brown bits and cut into small sections. Cut the okra in preferred shape. I went for thinner okra slices, which makes it quicker for the water to mix with the okra and have more nutrients released in the water. It will also make it gooey or slimy and can be difficult to drain. To avoid this, you can replace the water more frequently. Shred or finely chop the ginger into strips, which makes it easier to separate the water when draining. Squeeze the lemon, add the lemon juice bit by bit, measuring a tablespoon at a time to gauge your preferred taste. There are more tips like this at the end of the video. Have all ingredients laid out and ready for mixing. Add the okra first, then pineapple, shredded ginger and lemon juice to the jug. Add as much water as the jug can allow. Put the lid on the jug or cover with cling film. Leave the mixture to rest for at least 30 minutes to an hour. The longer the ingredients are left in the water, the thicker the liquid will become. You will see the okra and pineapple and ginger rise to the top of the jug. Mix all ingredients well together and leave to rest for about another 15 minutes. Check the mixture regularly. The water should start to get slimy and the okra water will be ready for the first serving, or leave it for a longer period of time if you want a thicker consistency. This was the first serving of just 1 large glass and a bit. There will be some seeds in the water, so do take care when drinking. Add more water to the mixture and leave to rest for another couple of minutes if needed. Keep adding more water as needed until the slimy texture reduces. You need to drink the okra water within 24 hours or keep in the fridge no longer than 48 hours. Add different fruits that you like to suit your taste buds. Fresh pineapple makes the drink sweet and has other benefits. Adding cloves for a little bit of spice and tightness for the body. Use lime slices instead of squeezing the juice if you do not want a strong lemon taste. For convenience, you can use frozen or ready-to-use okra. If you used fresh and tender okra, you can add the remainder of the okra to a recipe like a stir fry. But if you used hard okra or if the okra has discolored, just throw away the residue. All in all, okra water should be taken regularly because it's full of nutrients and benefits, including hydration, which can help with cleansing and detoxing, feminine hygiene, and that skin glow. Okra water is also rumored to be a great aphrodisiac, but of course, take responsibly and use in moderate amounts. In the next video, we'll do a quick and healthy stir fry made with fresh okra to taste to perfection with garlic, spices, which will be crispy, flavorful, and ready in minutes. So be sure to subscribe and be notified.